just turned off Chanel Parkway, hit and run, red Dodge 4x4, Bravo Echo Whiskey, 16 Papa. We're on the rough streets, man.
See how it goes. Eagles on an icy west. To the Vizzo, ride to the Lizzo. I'm a crazy. That, so I'll make a prophecy from the.
ASX Grand Marquis.
Thank you, April. Lila, you're on the television.
You know what? I can honestly say this. An independent woman is a lonely woman. Every woman needs a man by her side. Otherwise...
And the man pays the bills.
Actually, me and my husband have a great...
They've just extended this for another hour. This was a blown out tire block in carpool lane. So that carpool lane's going to be shut down until at least one. You know, like the pandemic in August 2020, we opened our doors and you know, there's a big person necessity for bread. You know, people were wanted grocery stores were either out or
expertise and dedication will work with you to reach your potential. Because the next...
The reason I downloaded Dave was because I really wanted to buy myself some flights. I was able to do that. It truly comes with it. So next time you're thinking about asking someone money for rent, gas, groceries, whatever, just download Dave instead. Click
Let's go, bitch. I'll fucking do it all day. Oh my god. Oh my god, God. So I'm in front of, I'm right off the
You guys both work from home though, so what you don't get is that moment when somebody walks up and grabs the doorknob.
Oh, Travis, Listen, we're on the same team here. Don't try and.
97.7.
Client rated 4.5 on 5 on Google. Autozroche.com. We have the client.
There must be mad at me because I just neglect my health. Because I do too much. Wondering.
That's funny.
Texas original. Morning day, and this afternoon at 5 on 740.
Oh my gosh!